Hi, thank you for joining me in practicing Kapalbhati. So, Kapalbhati is a pranayama, a breathing method we use in yoga um, to calm us down, to calm the mind, but still get energy. It balances left and right, Ida and Pingala, if that makes any sense to you. It balances and strengthens the nervous system, and it tones the digestive system. You're using your abdomen a lot of it. Well, all of it is breathing through the abdomen. What else does it do? It is said, don't pin me down on this. It is said that it can balance out blood sugars as well. So people who are suffering from diabetes, this might be helpful for you. Um, if you suffer from high blood pressure, epilepsy, had a stroke or hernia or gastric ulcers, don't practice. Heart disease as well, don't practice. I am a fan of people who do their own research. So if you suffer from anything, it's always good to double check. Okay, do it yourself. But best thing, as always, is to check with your GP if it's okay. Hello, Beastie. If it's okay for you to practice in general. You always do that. Okay, I'm not a medical expert. You need to take that responsibility for yourself. Um, so it calms, but it's still energetic. So don't practice Kapalbhati before bedtime because you won't be able to sleep. I've done it. I couldn't sleep, and when I do this still in the afternoon, my dreams are really weird. So I tend to do this morning time. Um, it clears out the lungs and frontal lobes, which is the whole I can never say this, respiratory system. Yeah, it's really good for that, which is exactly what we need to make sure it stays healthy in these times, right? So that's another good one for Kapalbhati. And what else have I missed? Don't practice after you've eaten. It's not nice to use all of this when it's full of food. Yeah, no, about 3-4 hours after, or do it before you've eaten. You're going to eat. um, I think that's most of that. So I'm just checking my brain for anything else. I don't think so. So with any pranayama, well, in this case, not always, but in this case, make sure your spine is upright. You can sit in any seated position that you like. Doesn't matter as long as your spine is upright, the rest of your body is relaxed. Try during practice to keep that posture. Don't collapse in, because if you do that, your lungs, it's not nice. You can't get all the benefit of the breath. Okay, upright. Um, try to keep your shoulders down. Keep your face relaxed. Not like that. It happens. It happens. I've done it. Totally fine. So I'll talk you through what it is, how you can get used to it. So step 1, and then I'll talk you through step to a second technique. Okay, there are more, but when this is all over, you can ask your own lovely yoga teacher all about it if you're interested in that. Okay, I'm not gonna do the full thing because they'll be here for a long time. um, so when you're starting, you breathe through your abdomen. So you have a muscle, a diaphragm, it's called, squeezes your muscles. So air goes out, you exhale, and then it sucks in. It calls it vacuum. So your lungs suck in the air. That's inhaling. Your lungs don't do anything. They're just sacs of air and lovely things in there that take up the oxygen. But the muscle is what makes you inhale and exhale, and that's your diaphragm. When you breathe, just for a moment, place your hands here and see to really exaggerate your inhale and exhale by pushing your stomach out and in, abdomen out and in, and see what it does to your breath. See how that feels. Okay. As with anything, if it's painful, there's a bee. It said hello to you too. They're essential workers. Anyway, sorry. With anything, if something is painful, don't do it or take a step back. Okay? It shouldn't be painful. Your lungs might need to get used to it. That's a different type, right? Same with stretching. You have stretching and you have overstretching. You don't want to do overstretching. You don't want to have pain. Yeah? So with Kapalbhati, what we do, we breathe in naturally, both nostrils, breathe out naturally, both nostrils. Then we breathe in naturally, but forcefully exhale. So you forcefully force the air out with your diaphragm. So you do, see if I can exaggerate it. So when I inhale and then forcefully exhale, so you have a bit of sound coming out of your nose because you're forcing, right? Like when you sneeze, all the air is forcing out. So it's not as much of a noise, but a little bit of breath, you have that sound coming out. So I'll just do, sorry, I'll just do a few of you, just stretching this out. So. See? Forcing the air out. So, again, you inhale normally, exhale normally. Inhale normally, forcefully exhale. Inhale normally, forcefully exhale. Inhale normally, forcefully exhale. You forcefully exhale 10 times. 10 times. Then you inhale normally, exhale normally. Yeah, that's one round. Okay, so again, one round. Inhale normally, exhale normally. Inhale normally 10 times, exhale forceful. That's one round. Okay, then you can start with one round, see how you go, build it up to 2 rounds, build it up to 3, up to 5 rounds. Okay, if you hit 5 rounds, increase the amounts of breath you take. So instead of 10 forceful exhales, do 15, do 20, build it up to 25, build it up to 30, things like that. Okay, so I'll do one round so you can see, and then you can do it yourself. Okay, know what I'll do one round and I'll talk you then through one round. Okay, then you get the feel of it, then you can do it yourself, and then I'll talk to you about the second technique. Okay, so I'll do it first. I'll count with my hand, the forceful that I'll do this so you can sort of see what's happening. Well, I can't count now, can I? So instead of counting, I'll just show you. I'll put my hand here so you can actually see what's going on here. Okay, so breathing naturally, exhale naturally. I'll start, and then when I start forcing, I'll count. It's kind of confusing. I will count with my fingers. I've got this tight, so you should be able to see it anyway. Okay, so I will count. Sorry about that. Okay, so okay, that was one round. So I'll talk you through it now. Okay, so sit in whatever way you'd like to sit, keeping your spine upright. Your hands can be in Jnana Mudra or Chin Mudra, Yoni Mudra, no mudras, however you want to Leave your arms, your hands, that's fine. Just do that. And just focus on your breath. On your next inhale, inhale naturally. Exhale naturally. Inhale naturally and start forcing air out. Exhale. Inhale naturally. Forcing air out. Exhale. Inhale naturally. Forcing it out. Inhale naturally. Squeezing abdomen. Exhale. Breathing in naturally. Forcing it out. Breathing in naturally. Exhale. Breathing in. Exhale. Breathing in. Exhale. Last one. Breathing in. Exhale. Breathing in naturally and exhaling naturally. Okay, one round done. So you can play with that. Yeah. Second technique is using Nasagra Mudra, closing of right nostril, doing 10 through your left first, closing of left, 10 through your right, closing of no, not closing of both. That would be hard, wouldn't it? Opening up both. Do both first. So left, then right, then both. Again, 10. And after you've done left, you take a deep breath in, deep breath out, open up the right, deep breath in, deep breath out. Do 10, deep breath in, deep breath out. Both nostrils, deep breath in, deep breath out. 10, and again. Some people don't do a normal breath in and out when they finish. They go on straight to the next one. That's fine. Yeah, it's just about the forcing, but it's to give you a little break in between of that. Okay, so I'll show you one round and then I'll talk you through. Shall we do one or two rounds? Yeah, I'll talk you through 2 rounds, but I'll show you one first, and I'll count with my fingers when I do the forcing. Okay, so spine upright. You can join in if you like. Hey, the beauty of videos, you can do what you want. Nasagra Mudra. Left nostril. Inhale and exhale. Okay, sitting nice and tall. Nasagra Mudra. Closing off your right nostril with your thumb. Inhaling fully. Exhaling naturally. Inhaling fully. Start forcing. Exhale. Inhale naturally. Exhale force. Inhale naturally. Exhale squeeze. Inhale naturally. Exhale. Inhale, exhale, force. Inhale, exhale, squeeze. Inhale, exhale, squeeze. Inhale, exhale, squeeze. Inhale, exhale, squeeze. Natural breath in, natural breath out. Closing of left nostril, opening up the right. Inhale naturally, exhale naturally. Inhale naturally, exhale, force. Inhale, exhale, force. Inhale naturally, exhale, squeeze. Inhale, exhale, squeeze. Inhale, exhale, squeeze. Keep going. Inhale, exhale, squeeze. Inhale, exhale, squeeze. Inhale, exhale, squeeze. Inhale, exhale, squeeze. Last one. Inhale, exhale, force. Natural inhale, natural exhale. Open up both nostrils. Natural inhale, natural exhale. Natural inhale, sitting tall. Exhale, squeeze. Inhale, exhale, force. Inhale, exhale, force. Staying tall. Inhale, exhale, force. Squeeze the abdomen. Inhale, exhale, force. Inhale, exhale, force. Breathing in naturally. Inhale, exhale, force. Last one. Inhale, exhale, force. Natural breath in, natural breath out. Closing off the right nostril. Inhaling through left. Naturally exhale. Naturally inhale. Exhale, force. Through the left. Inhale. Exhale, force. Inhale. Exhale, squeeze. Inhale. Exhale, squeeze. Inhale. Exhale, squeeze. Inhale. Force it out. Inhale. Force. Inhale naturally. Forcing exhale. Naturally inhale. Naturally exhale. Opening up the right. Closing off the left. Inhale naturally. Exhale naturally. Inhale naturally. Exhale, force. Inhale naturally. Exhale, force. Inhale naturally. Exhale, squeeze. All in the abdomen. Inhale. Exhale, force. Inhale. Exhale, force. Inhale. Exhale, force. Inhale. Force it out. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Naturally inhale. Naturally exhale. Open up both nostrils. Inhale. Exhale naturally. Inhale naturally. Exhale, force. Inhale naturally. Exhale, force. Inhale. 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 Exhale, force. Last one. And force. Natural breath in. Natural breath out. Take a few more natural breaths. Letting your breath return. And opening up your eyes. I hope you enjoy that. Sometimes I lose count. That's fine. Okay? I'm sure you'll do the same. I'm not a good counting person. So, it's fine. Um, just play with it. Play with the amount of breaths you take. Play with the amount of rounds you do. See if it is something you enjoy. See what the effects are along the day. Do you feel more energetic? Do you feel more balanced? Do you feel something working here? Because you're working your muscles quite a lot, right? Your abdomen muscles. So they're toning up. Do you feel a difference after a week? Yeah? I'm giving you all the tools. So use them. Use them if you enjoy them, if they're not painful. Okay? You might not enjoy it, but you might feel the benefits. Keep going. Sometimes we do things that are good for us that we don't enjoy, but they're good. So in a way, it's worth it. Um, well, I hope you're all still safe and healthy. You're social distancing. You're doing what you can to keep yourself and others safe. It's such a strange time. I'm still working. As a gardener, I'm one of the people that um, still seen as essential. So I'm quite lucky in that sense to have a bit of normality. But for everyone who is out there that doesn't have that luxury of work just now, can't believe I'm saying this. I love my job though, but not everyone does. Um, I hope this helps you. It helps with maybe anxiety. It helps maybe with energy during the day, keeping you a bit sane, giving you something else to do instead of being bored lying in bed and eating lots. We're doing rota shifts, so when I'm not on a rota, I eat a lot and I sleep a lot, and keeping a body fit and healthy is quite important, right? For your mind, for your soul, for your health, for your whole being. Yoga is oneness, right? Focus on that oneness. I hope you enjoyed the practice, and yeah, like I said, stay safe and healthy, people. Okay. Good luck, and I hope you enjoyed the videos. Okay. Hariom Tat Sat. Thank you.